Well, I think the cat's out the bag on this one. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is going to be another multi-step video series introducing our very latest release, the biggest, the baddest, and also the best, the PF22 foam cannon. So a bit of a backstory to MTM. MTM Hydro are originally from Italy and they gained world notoriety in the car wash industry, specifically for their fittings, for their guns, and of course their foam cannons. Now, originally, the PF22, it came out, it took the world by storm. It had a different shape bottle design. It had a very, very top-heavy nozzle. Now, again, it's very important to note that with foam cannons, the main thing is about the internals. The bottles can look however you want in a love heart shape if it was to stand up, but still, the internals is the most important thing. Now, ever since MTM have shared our teaser photos, our kind of pre-release photos on our Instagram, the whole thing went mad, and people obviously started getting in touch with us. So I wanted to kind of drop this video first so you guys know the steps that are going to be undertaken with the PF22. Now, as I said, MTM Hydro are originally from Italy. Now MTM USA, who have now renamed themselves to Velocity Performance, they're still kind of a brother and sister company, however, just with a name change. Now with the PF22.2, this is quite rare to find around the world at the minute. It's mainly in America. There's a few kind of Northern European distributors as well. But they've got worldwide exclusivity on this 0.2 version that I'm holding here. And guess what? We've got the UK deal to be the sole sellers of this foam cannon, which I'm super excited. It's absolutely amazing news. So what's the timeline? So currently we are expecting the foam cannons. They are landing in the UK, I think shipped to us around the 15th, 17th of December. Now this is a live timeline. It can decrease, so it can be pushed a little bit closer to us, or again, it could be the other side of Christmas. I'm hoping the other side of Christmas is not a reality, but again, with everything that's going on with the sea freights, air freights, etc., everything is kind of remodeled up. But I'm hoping, as it stands, the 17th of December, so it will be launched pre-Christmas and just pre the couriers not working again. So you'll have hopefully about a week, maybe a little bit less, to buy one of these. So we're super excited. We're going to be the only people in the UK. We've got the exclusivity for this cannon, which is amazing to be given this opportunity by MTM to sell probably the best foam cannon that has ever existed, and it will be very, very hard to beat this. Now the market is flooded with cheap Chinese foam cannons. They've got horrible fittings, horrible internals. Yes, they all foam, so I will get this question, but all foam cannons foam? Yes. However, with this, one of the main things is the internals are that secret and that just amazing that in a 1 litre reservoir, technically you can get 2 lots of foam or 2 times around the car with 1 reservoir, whereas a cheaper 20, 30 pound foam cannon, it will just rinse through the whole kind of soap solution that's in the foam cannon, hence not being economical. This produces thicker foam at less usage per reservoir, which is where this kind of trumps everything. Now, with the original PF22, again, as you can see, the nose is very, very heavy on this. So in the original bottle, you would touch it, it would fall over. If, like this, again, there is probably 50 mil of our Yum foam left. If this was in the old foam cannon, it would just keep falling over, hence why this has taken them years to redevelop the newer design. Now, in what fitments is this going to come? So again, it's going to come in a variety of fitments. We have got capability of entering every single fitment that you can get, even to the more niche markets like the Bosch, etc., etc. But at first, we're going to release it with 3 fitment options. Again, first of all, which is ours, so that is the 1/4 inch quick disconnect, if the camera would focus. This is a very common fitting. A lot of people have kind of transitioned to the shorter guns, which again, when the SGS 28 guns come in as well, this will fit directly onto the cannon in a very easy way. So something like this, you've got your cannon, you can then take it off and you're back in business. So that's going to be fit number one. Fit number two is going to be the Karcher K Series, so the black bayonet style, which again, Karcher has got a massive kind of hold on the pressure washer game in the UK. So if you've got any Karcher K1 all the way up to K7, you're going to be able to get one of these. And again, the third fitment is going to be a nilfisk fitment. Again, that's quite a big segment of the UK market. So please do not worry. I think we've got 99% of the market of what I've just mentioned in terms of the three fittings covered. So they will be arriving very shortly. Hope you're as excited as I am. The fitments are going to be here at the same time. So as soon as they're live on the website, the only choice you have to make is there's going to be a drop-down menu on the product page itself, and you're just going to select which pressure washer you have got. Now, we are going to extend the fitment, so if you've got some weird and wonderful pressure washer which those three fitments don't fit, we will expand our lines into probably, I think, 10 fitments. Will cover 100% of the pressure washer market. So PF22, it's coming to the UK. The guns are coming to the UK. It's all the fitments with the guns, but still the MTM 1/4 inch and the MTM gun, they just fit wonderfully. So premium, so quick. You've got about 3 weeks to wait, guys. So I mean, we've already had a lot of emails asking, are you doing a foam cannon? This is kind of the response to you guys. We are not doing anything cheap, Chinese, anything that is just your mass market. And if you look at most companies, they have the same foam cannon with just a different brand on it. Whereas this, it's built from the ground up. It's unbelievable. Now, we have been speaking to America and Italy, mainly America, and hopefully when the PF23 comes in, we will have hopefully a hand in developing that cannon as well, testing it and giving real world feedback. So the PF23, when that comes, again, it takes years to do it, will come as well. So hopefully we'll have even 1% of input on the future cannons as well. So guys, I hope this has answered some of your questions leading up to Christmas. Have you got foam cannons? Yes, they're coming, hopefully sooner rather than later. And again, I'm super excited. And as soon as these come, these are just going to absolutely destroy the UK market. And this is a one-of-a-kind foam cannon in the world. So guys, thank you very much. I am super buzzing, that's the word, super excited, and they're coming soon. I'll catch you on the next one.